Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF file to Excel file. Firstly, just open the file that you want to work on. As you can see, I have this file that has some data and I want to convert it into an Excel file. To do that, just open your web browser. Here in the search bar, search for PDF to Excel. Now click on this link which is linked with ilovepdf.com. Then click on select PDF file button. Now select the same file that you want to convert. Once your PDF is uploaded, click the option of No OCR from the right. Once done, click on Convert to Excel. After a few minutes, your file will be converted. Just tap on this Download Excel to save it. Once your file has been downloaded, you can go to Downloads to see it. As you can see, our file has been converted into Excel. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.